Okay, so I have the base of my first basket, Mother's Day basket started. So I have tissue paper going around. Inside I have the grass and tissue paper inside to keep the grass in place. Okay, now that I've shown you the basket, let's show you what will be in the basket. Now, the resin pieces, that's up for debate. But what each basket will have is a face mask. You'll either receive facial wipes or hand wipes. You'll receive a necklace, either mother and daughter or mother and son. You'll receive a bath bomb, and you will also receive a glass mug that also comes with a glass straw. Now, there are 1 to 2 things that I am going to include that I want to be an element of surprise for the person who purchased the baskets. So I won't show you those pieces, but it's not resin. It's not from the Dollar Tree. I made them myself. So, wait a minute. Is it resin? Well, one of them has resin on it, but it's not resin per se. So, you do have to select your own pieces. I'm not selecting for you. If you happen to select something that, let's say, like, if you select this will be classified as a small. So you can get 2 pieces, 2 small pieces. But if you select something like this, or the heart tray that was shown, that means you only get 1 resin pieces. So you have to decide when you place your order which piece you want. You do have to tell me in the comments on PayPal what pieces you want. They are of the ones that are already made. If I find that that item has already sold, I'll let you know and you can reselect. All right. I've already sold one.